everybody, it's a great day to be alive. No, seriously, it's a great day to be alive. I look at every day as a gift. I just want to tell you, your mindset early in the day is everything. You got to start your day in the right frame of mind. So what does your mindset look like first thing in the morning? Does it look like this? Or maybe more like this? All right, we got to get this figured out. So let's start here. Let's talk about how not to start your day. Number one, stop listening to the news. Look, you want to know what happened in the news? A plane crashed somewhere. A small country was invaded. The president tweeted something controversial. There, you're all caught up. The fact of the matter is that the media exists to play on your brain, and your brain is wired to pay attention to negative stuff. But you don't want to feed your brain with negative stuff first thing in the morning. It's all negative and it's not healthy. Stop checking the news. Not good for you. Here's another thing to not do. Don't check emails first thing. Look, how many messages are waiting for you, right? And of those messages, what are the chances that there's a problem waiting for you on your email? And the answer is 100%. And congratulations, you've started your day by adopting somebody else's crisis. It's not good for you. It doesn't help you. It puts you into a negative frame of mind right out of the gate. And then the third thing not to do, don't just dive into the muck of your busyness. It's so easy to get started by jumping into all of the sordid tasks and issues and problems that you got to handle. There's nothing strategic about that. That stuff will be there. Let's do something important first. Now, how do you want to start the day? Let me give you 3 ideas that'll help you get your mind right, strong, and positive right out of the gate. Number 1, it's that moment of gratitude. The fact of the matter is that there's a very specific link between our practice of gratitude and our level of happiness. In fact, it is the single most powerful way to increase your happiness is by increasing your gratitude. When we start with gratitude right out of the gate, it puts us in that positive frame of mind. Even if you're having a bad day, even if you have problems that are going on around you in your life, there's always the opportunity to be grateful. And that gratitude can really help you be in a positive mindset right out of the gate. Second thing, feed your brain. Feed your brain. Look, you feed your body, right? You get your coffee first thing in the morning. You're going to get your breakfast sandwich or your oatmeal or whatever it is. How about feeding your brain? How about getting something good and strong and solid and positive in your brain right from the very beginning? We think all the time about feeding ourselves. I didn't get my lunch. I was so busy. Did you hear me? I didn't get my lunch. And yet we'll go an entire day without purposefully feeding our brain. Big mistake. And then finally, work on a goal. Start your day by working on a goal. First thing, when you get to work, start by working on a goal. Look at it and say, if I can just take one step towards an important goal, if there is one thing that I can move along, and you know what will happen? You keep that momentum going. You'll work on that project that really means something to you, that will really make a difference. And now you're going to get the creative energy. You're going to flow out of that. Guess what? All the problems, all the emails, all the tasks, they're going to be so much easier because your mindset is right. You have got to start your day in the right headspace and let that carry you through for the balance of the day. That is how you make a profound difference. There you have it, another episode of the 5-Minute Sales Training. Hey, have you told others about it? Can you copy and paste this into your own social media link? Let people know about the 5-Minute Sales Training. It would mean the world to us. And until next time, go out there and learn more to earn more.